So today we will discuss about 630 maintenance activity. So first of all, remove this air cap, put it into a comfortable thinner or solvent, and after that clean these air holes. Clean it by using this brush. You can clean it from inside also. And after that you have to clean this material nozzle. For material nozzle cleaning, first remove the needle. To remove the needle, first we will remove this fluid adjusting screw, and after that this spring, and then we will put this needle back, and after that we will remove this material nozzle. To remove this material nozzle, use this spanner, and by sliding it we can remove. So the material nozzle is removed. After remove this material nozzle, clean these holes, and from inside also, like this you can clean from inside. After cleaning this nozzle, you have to clean this needle also. And if air is leaking from this, I will show you. After assembly of material nozzle, if air is leaking through this portion, you need to change this gasket, because it must be worn out or it is damaged. To remove this gasket, you have to take this type of needle or any sharp object and remove it. This is removed. Change it if it is required. After that, place the gasket, new gasket here. Now put the metal nozzle back to its position and tight it with the help of this spanner. So now it is tight, and after that put this needle back. After this, put the spring and last fluid adjusting screw. So this is the maintenance activity. Put the air cap back. And if fluid is leaking through this point, you have to tight this nut slightly by using this spanner. You can tight it if fluid is leaking through this nut. So this is the maintenance procedure for 630. Thank you.